and I'm here with my guest. Please introduce
Today is
yourself.
Marlon.
Dr. Annette Tahero.
And we're back.
We're back.
So during the break, we had more issues and questions. Did you want to pose your question?
Yeah, I just thought, because, I'm just going to ask Dr. Annette about just...
I'll chime in.
And how you can, what can you say about the same-sex marriage here in Las Vegas, Nevada?
Wow, see, that's a local issue. And what I was explaining
Yeah,
to...
especially there's like a fast food drive-in for marriage, you know? There's like,
we have a lot of drive.
lot of-
yeah,
a lot of drive-thrus for
drive-through
marriage.
chapels. We got a lot of those.
Yeah. However, we were talking in the break a little bit about the fact that actually the federal government should not, and it has no definitions in the Constitution to be defining what marriage is. In fact, if you really look at it, our First Amendment actually speaks about freedom of religion, and marriage is a religious institution. So when you ask me about that, that's one of the first parts, is the federal government should not be in the business of micromanaging and defining our religious beliefs.
And that's when my mind was blown, because I'm like, wait a second, they stepped in so we can have freedom, but then they also shouldn't step inside religion because they're not supposed to be an institution that goes inside other religions. And I'm just like, wait a second, why? That's why I'm mind blown right now.
Yeah, so at least I'm still trying to learn. I'm trying to educate myself about what's going on
I was actually there in
about
Washington, D.C. picketing when Obergefell v. Hodges is being voted on. But now I'm so confused.
Yeah, and see, that's one of the things, is we can get emotionally involved, or we can actually go back to our
Right.
wonderful Constitution
If you
and
do
say,
like strict, strict jurisdiction, something like that, where you actually have to read the Constitution word line by line without any personal
But
involvement.
no, look at what's going on, and I don't know how many states or that we do accept this marriages, same-sex
It's all
marriages.
50, right?
well, actually, because they took it to the Supreme Court and our federal government acted in a way that's not inside the Constitution, it's pretty much off the table.
Oh, I see.
So it's not something that we can deal with. There are things that go to the Supreme Court, and unfortunately, what happens is the states lose the ability to be able, and localities lose the availability.
Yeah,
to
because
be
that's
able
called
to
like the
do.
law of the land once
Yeah.
the Supreme Court.
So-
But
rules.
how
That's what-
ironic! They're not the legislative branch. We should be objecting to that.
Right. But the thing is, you guys can by overturning with another piece of legislation, if that's ruled upon, and that can overturn Obergefell v. Hodges. Ha ha!
I told
I
you,
studied law for
I'm
4
still,
years.
I'm
There
still
you
educating
go.
myself. I'm still educating myself on these issues.
So should we have a federal government that micromanages our personal lives, or should we have a federal government that does what the Constitution says, our defense? Should it actually be dealing with treaties? Should it be doing our immigration process and things that are outside of our country to protect our borders? Absolutely, that's what they're supposed to be doing.
Yes.
But I don't think we want them defining what car we drive and how much.
Exactly. So that's why I got scary, because she's like, what about if they can do this in religion or other things about yourself? And I'm just like, wow, that's
Yeah, you
a
can
scary path to go down.
you can just define what you do, and that's all you can do.
Right, and what it does is it alters our Bill of Rights, because if you can redefine what it is and take things out of there, then we get into trouble. Because right now you might like what they decided, but
yeah,
then
because
later
on
on,
hindsight, I was like, yay, people can marry whoever they want, benefits can go to there, and bam, bam. But then now,
I'm just bringing this because I think this coming election, it's on the question ballot and the ballots, right?
it should be.
what the initiative? It should be on the question ballot. But the Supreme Court already decided that this was off the table. So even if you brought ballot initiatives now, because the federal government
it's already
has
ruled.
decided,
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
5 to 4.
I'm sorry.
kind of makes
yeah,
it
that's right.
difficult to have the discussion.
Yes.
Yeah, like you
Oh,
guys
okay.
can give your opinion, but you can't change
Yes,
anything.
that's right.
Unless
Opinion.
legislatures go.
Is that
That's an opinion.
Is that what we the people in the Constitution's about? Silencing us from having the discussion?
My mind is getting blown.
See
So that's why politics is such a dirty topic. Like, when I took government, it was like, it's only government. We didn't take politics and government, because politics is its own game.
Yes.
Because, like, if you have to, like, it's so intricate, and, like, how you approach the government and how people propose